This is a fix for the OfficeJet Pro, HP OfficeJet Pro 6968 printer. That's the one I have. I had this problem. You're looking at the error code that I was seeing, the 0x6100004a. I was getting this printer failure error code on my OfficeJet Pro printer. It might work on yours, even if you have a different model. I don't know. But the fix ended up being to do a factory reset on the printer. Okay. I don't know exactly why that solved the problem. I don't know if I'll run into different issues after doing the factory reset. But it did get me printing again, and it was a lot better solution than what HP told me on the phone, which was to buy a new printer. There was nothing they could do. They told me to do a complete reset of the printer, which is basically just pulling the power plug out of it when it's on and then turning it back on. That did nothing. But the factory reset did solve the problem for me and got me printing again. Now, to be clear, and I'll show you how to do the factory reset in a second. If you don't know how to do that, I'll go over to the printer and show you. But the specific problem I was having was I'd turn the printer on, it would say there's a paper jam. I'd open it up, there was no paper jam, but I could see that the ink cartridges were not moving over to where they could be accessed on the left side of the printer when I opened it up. So for some reason it was stuck over to the right. And I'd close it, and it wouldn't say there's a paper jam anymore, but it would just show me this printer failure error. So a lot of people are having this problem, so I figured I'd put it out here because, I mean, it was just a random forum thread that it advised me to do the factory reset. And HP's not recommending the factory reset, and other blog posts about this problem aren't recommending it either, which I thought was kind of weird. So maybe this will work for you, maybe it won't. Hopefully it does. This is an old printer, so, but it works fine. It's still working, and it gets good results, and I'm not trying to do anything crazy with it. So I'm glad I got it going again, and hopefully you can too. So let's take a look at the printer and how to do the factory reset real quick. All right, we're looking at the printer here, the OfficeJet 6968, and we're gonna do a factory reset. Hopefully this solves the problem for you. You wanna go up here. This whole system is kind of annoying, but you drag that down, hit the little settings button at the top. This is the setup menu. Then you'll want to scroll to printer maintenance. Then scroll down to restore. Then click on restore factory defaults, and then it'll ask you to continue. I'm not going to do that because I already did this and got it working again, but hit continue. The printer will turn off, and it should turn back on automatically, and it will be factory reset. You'll have to, reconnect your Wi-Fi and any other custom settings you ever put on the printer. But hopefully that solves that 0x6100004a printer failure issue for you.